Hey guys, it's Jackson here, and I just wanted to let you guys know that at the moment I'm going to be taking some tutorial requests. So if there's anything that you want to see me try and do, anything that you want me to build from start to finish, or some problems that you might want me to try and fix or whatever, leave me one in-depth comment below this video. Try and describe what you want me to make as best you can. Don't make it too long because I can't be fucked reading like 500 word essays, but try to be concise, explain how you want it to function, how you're going to be using it, and etc. And I'll do my best to smash out some tutorials. No promises on doing all of them or even any of them, to be honest. Like, I'll have a look and I'll see what I've got the strengths to manage and etc. So I think if you've been watching me at all, you'll kind of have an idea for the tutorials that I like to do, things like AI and procedural generation and things like that. But even if it's nothing related to those things, like, drop me a comment anyway, and I'll see what I can do. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my channel and watching all my videos and things so far. It's been pretty cool.